Hello, my workplace warriors. Are you in the public sector, private sector, or trying to move between the two and your job search feels off? Here's the truth. You do not need to fix everything at once. You need to fix the right thing first. And today, I'm going to help you figure out where to start. I'm Cynthia with HR by Nnamtique. Today, I want to talk specifically to those professionals whose job search is not producing the traction they expected. Maybe you have solid experience. Maybe you've done good work for years. Maybe you're applying and thinking, why is this not translating? That question comes up a lot, especially for public sector professionals moving toward a private sector role. But honestly, it affects both groups. So here is a simple reset. Check these four things. Number one is role alignment. Are you applying for roles that actually match your current level, your real strengths, and the story your materials are telling? Number two, language. Does your resume use language the employer understands? Or are you relying on internal titles, government terms, or organization specific language that means little outside your current environment? Number three, proof. Are you showing outcomes, scale, and business impact? Or are you giving a long list of responsibilities and hoping the employer fills in the blanks? Then, number four, strategy. Are you targeting roles and companies with intention? Or are you applying broadly because you're anxious and do not want to miss out? That last one matters because fear can turn your job search into random activity, which we don't want. If you're moving from public sector to private sector, there is one mistake I want you to stop making immediately. Stop assuming employers automatically understand your value. They do not know your agency language. They do not know your systems. They do not know your internal scope. That does not mean your experience is weak. It means you have to translate it. So instead of saying you administered policies and coordinated stakeholders, stakeholder processes, tell them what changed because of the work that you did. Did you improve efficiency, reduce risk, support leaders, strengthen compliance, improve service delivery, manage programs with real operational complexity? That is the language they need. Now, if you're already in the private sector, your issue may be different. Sometimes the problem is not translation. Sometimes the problem is position drift. Your resume is too broad. Your target role is too scattered. Your LinkedIn profile says one thing and your application says something else. Or your story is heavy on task and light on measurable value. That kind of mismatch slows everything down. So here is your 3-move reset for this week. Move one, choose one main target role and one support role. Move two, rewrite 3 resume bullets so they show results, scope, and business value. Move three, reach. Reach out to 2 people in your target direction and start a real conversation. That is it. Simple, focused, and effective. The people who make progress in a tough job market are not always the people doing the most. Often, they're the people doing the clearest work. So clear up your targets, clear up your language, and clear up your proof. And if you're making a public to private sector move, I want to help you do that with more confidence and less guesswork. Take a look at my public to private pivot suite if you want structured support built for that transition. And if you need broader help organizing your search, my HRBN job search system and tracker is also a strong place to start. Subscribe to HR by Nnamtique and in the comments tell me this. What is the hardest part of your reset right now? Is it alignment, language, proof, or strategy? And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Or before I leave, let me let you know that I have free training coming up, a free job search workshop this evening, April 10th at 8 p.m. I would love to have you there, and I'll include the registration link in the pinned comments or below in the description. See you.